Open up the garage area for me. Or the basement, I mean, sorry. Thank you.
Sorry.
How thick are those? Those are pretty thick. That's good.
Those are about 1 inch doors.
That's, no, they look a little bigger than one, don't they?
3 or 2.
One of them, maybe it was that one she had. Yeah, this one's up.
And then you've got your, there's a grill and a small fridge there. It does have double pane windows, whisper quiet air, and the backup cam and the solar, and the Wi-Fi range extender. It's got the, are these the MoreRide ones, or are these the?
Yeah, step above they're called. Yeah,
okay.
That's the MoreRide step above. MoreRide, yeah.
Perfect.
But it has the LCI road armor suspension on it.
Oh, does it? Oh, nice. Oh, yep, there it is. And it's got the tire thing, the tire pressure gauge. It's very pretty. Yes, I see that. It's like sideways rain.
Yeah, it's the gutter.
Oh, yep, it sure is. That is a gutter. Yep, that's a gutter. Yep. I like the dual pane. Let's see what we got here for. Oh, perfect. We got the good slides here. Are all the slides the same, or are any of them cable? Looks like maybe the front where the bed is a cable.
Nope, not cable.
It's not? Huh.
I don't know what kind of slides these are.
Oh, the reel for your. That's nice.
What type of slide? You don't know what type of slide that the Nexus these are, do you? Because they're not cable. This one's got to be cable.
So it's the newer slide. That's why there was no room under the bed. That's what Kurt was just saying.
There's like no space up there.
Well, under you. Where are the? Where do you empty your tanks at?
It's all inside.
Oh, I love
So it's
that.
not going to be frozen on you as much.
Oh, look at that. I like that. Okay. Well, that's a big bonus. I was looking under here thinking, where are they?
Right.
Okay, so we are in the Cedar Creek 377BH. This has made our short list, and we were just here at Camping World checking it out. Yeah, one of the things that some of the other ones on our short list have are end tables. So unfortunately this is missing it, but yeah, we'd have to figure something out there. I was kind of thinking we could put like little shelves or something along the bottom of the windows there, but it still has a bunch of storage for things we won't get into, like holiday stuff and birthday wrap and things like that. It has a fireplace, which was a must for us. It's not huge in this area here. I mean, I like it. It's not humongous, but it does have a rather large and substantial island. And I'm sitting in the farthest theater seat, and you can tell that this is kind of in my eye line, but it doesn't impede the TV at all. So that's a plus for us.
Pretty good for me.
Connor's in love with it already. We like the fact that it has theater seating and the freestanding dinette so that we can actually get a bigger couch if we wanted to. And we could get a different table and chairs and put it there because that's just screwed into the floor. There's not much of a lip here, but we could probably put some kind of skinny stools or something. Yeah, that'd be great for breakfast, wouldn't it?
Yeah, maybe school as well, because all of this.
That's true. It is very large right there. I like that. So it's tons of prep space, which I definitely don't have right now. This did say on the floor plan that it came with an optional dishwasher, but I'm not sure if it's actually plumbed for it or not. That'd be a Kurt question. He's outside checking out the outside stuff, the stuff I don't really care about. Yeah, this is very nice. It's got a place for your cookie sheets and things. It has a place for spices, which I love because
It's so much.
yeah, I'm utilizing our our entertainment center thing right now. Let's go this way. You want to show the pantry? Nice size pantry. One of the things I really like is that it's got a outlet right there. So in case you want to plug in your coffee pot, but you don't want it to take up any counter space. Yeah, and it goes all the way to the floor, so that's a great area for like extra dog food and things. It has the fridge we want because we don't want residential, because we might want to do some boondocking from time to time, and obviously this would do better for us since it can run on propane. This is way bigger than the one we have now. Let's go ahead and, you want to turn the light on in this room here, Connor, so I can see that? We like this area. It doesn't have a bed in here, but we would have taken out the bed anyway and built our own. We might still do that, but for the time being, he actually likes the bunk up there. You can see this little bump out right here is for stairs. So it has stairs instead of a ladder. It has lots of storage space in here.
Honestly, I wish the TV was right here because then...
Well, but it'll be over here in the corner. Yeah, and then you can hang out there. Let's go take a look at the loft real quick.
Can I show them the loft?
You can. Here. So let's show the stairs. So he's got stairs and a handrail. Go ahead on up there.
There's some plugs and a TV outlet, I think. So you can charge and put a TV up here. Honestly, it's very comfortable.
Yeah, definitely in the corner. That would be great space for your stuffed animals. And this is much easier for him to get up and down. He's about 5 feet tall right now.
Almost.
We really enjoy this area here. One thing is the shower's a little smaller. Yesterday we were in a North Point and that shower was much better, but I'm in love with all the storage in here, which I don't have now. I think they actually give you one.
Really?
Well, let's see.
There's a lot of space in
no,
there.
guess not. But I have seen them where they put them right in the door there. But this is very nice. I wasn't sure I was going to like this, but I kind of do.
Yeah, I can't go and I could honestly use that.
And I really like
A very big.
I really like the fact that, look, I can see myself. And in mine right now, it's like up here. So I have to get on my tiptoes. They actually give you a place for a towel. That's nice.
Oh yeah.
And some hooks. Oh, there's your toilet paper thing right there.
Yeah, you didn't see that?
I'm not sure that that's the one I would want, but it has a nice little barn door, so it's space saving.
Yeah.
Let's see here.
I like there's a sleeve.
So the bed is, I personally think that the bedding is hideous, but we've got our own bedding.
You can change it.
We were showing the accent lighting earlier.
Look at that.
I really like that because then, you don't have to have it on full blast while you're in bed. The North Point had a little controller over by your bed though, which was kind of nice. Yeah, they're trying to level it outside. So, anyway, there's not much storage under the bed. You want to show that, Connor, for me? Got it? There you go. And it's on struts, which I love. But look at that. There's not much room.
Why is there chairs down there?
Because those are your extra chairs for the bed, or for the bed, for the
Yeah, it's definitely for the bed.
for the table.
Yeah.
We did try out the mattress. We're kind of picky when it comes to mattresses. It's a bamboo mattress, so it's like antimicrobial and everything, which I like that. And it's actually quite comfortable. It's like a memory foam type thing.
Oh, you forgot the secret.
And so the Durango Gold that we like has this plus a fireplace, which I like. This has a wall cadet heater, which is kind of cool. TV, which is already there, which is nice. I don't know why they make you spend all this money on things and then they don't include things for you. But these are nice. And I mentioned before, everything is soft close. So the drawers and everything. Yeah, those are nice. And then we've got the...
Wait, get sound.
Oh, did you locked it into place there? All right. So as you can see from the picture, It's a side-by-side.
Yeah, look at mine.
So basically what you do is it's going to take up, you're just going to take this little cabinet out, and that is where you can turn the light on, sweetie. It's right there.
Oh.
So they take out this cabinet, and this is where your washer and dryer goes. So you still have all this space usable for
Still a lot.
for your hanging space. Plus you have all that cubby area over there, plus the cubby area up top. So that's really nice. Okay, so Kurt's here, so I can actually find out if we can put a dishwasher. Hi. We can find out if we can put a dishwasher here or not. We were just talking about painting the island again, and we wouldn't even need to paint the front side because the back side here is dark, but the front side here is this lighter color that goes with the kitchen. So that's kind of nice. It's got a natural separation there that we could make white.
It looks like a dishwasher would fit in there.
Where would it go? Would it go under?
You'd have to remove all those drawers.
Oh, you'd remove all those drawers. That means we'd have no drawer storage, huh?
Right.
Well, I don't like that idea.
Well, we still have this big giant pantry.
Yep.
The fridge.
Yeah, but I need
Yeah, but
places
it
to
needs
put.
silverware.
Yeah, and I need places to put, you know, plastic wrap and foil and things like that. And I don't want to start using the entertainment center again. Oh, but you did confirm it has solar.
Yes.
It has solar
have
already,
solar.
which is great. It has a backup. It has the backup camera already. Does it have the tire pressure system already? Does it have the King Wi-Fi thing like we have now?
Yeah, I saw it.
I believe it does, yes.
I saw it.
Well, I see a sticker for it right here, right there. But I don't know if it's just saying it's prepped or if it actually has it.
Equipped with Wi-Fi router range extender, so it has the Wi-Fi, but it doesn't have the cellular.
Okay.
It has it in the in your walk-in closet.
I saw that. Yeah, okay. You're right. That is what that was, wasn't it? Thank you, Connor. You're smart. You're obviously wearing your smart pants today. So, we're just doing a final walkthrough since, you know, this is one of the few that's on our short list.